cooking. 1 pan butternut biryani in the oven. First, prep your butternut squash. Turn 500 grams into cubes and the rest into wedges. Your wedges are then going to get drizzled in oil, a tablespoon of curry powder, and then it's into the oven at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. Add another tablespoon of curry powder into a dry pan and let it cook for a minute until fragrant. Chuck in your butternut squash cubes and 3 fresh tomatoes that have been cut into wedges. Allow this to start to colour before adding the seeds of 4 cardamom pods, ginger and garlic. Add 280 grams of basmati rice. Then it's in with 700 ml of vegetable stock and 1 cinnamon stick. Once your wedges timer has dinged, set another for 20 minutes and pop in your pan covered, removing the lid and cooking for a further 15 minutes after that. Remember the recipes in the caption. Then for some added pizzazz, we're going to make a kind of gremolata. Coriander, garlic, chilli and the zest of a lime. Combine the juice with some natural yogurt and then it's assembly time.